Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk through how to connect your company's LinkedIn page to Highperformr AI. Doing this unlocks brand publishing, approvals, and analytics so you can manage and measure your company presence from one place. To get started, open the Post Creation Library and Hub. You can connect your company's LinkedIn profile from several places. If you're drafting or scheduling a post and intend to paste a LinkedIn URL to generate ideas, you'll see a prompt to connect your company's LinkedIn profile. Or you could go to Integrations on the sidebar, and under the Social Media section at the top, you'll see an option to connect LinkedIn profiles. You could also navigate to Settings, followed by AI Agent Settings to manage your LinkedIn connection. Or you could simply click Connect LinkedIn in the lower left corner of the Post Creation Library and Hub. No matter which entry point you choose, the connection process is the same. In this walkthrough, I'll be using the option on the lower left corner here. A pop-up will appear with 3 rows: LinkedIn Profile, LinkedIn Company Page, and X. Next to LinkedIn Company Page, click Add New to start linking your company page. You'll then be redirected to LinkedIn's secure sign-in page. Use your company's LinkedIn credentials or the login method you normally use to sign in. Note that Highperformr AI never stores your password. Once you're signed in, LinkedIn will display a permission screen. These permissions allow Highperformr AI to do exactly what you need: generate, schedule, and publish posts on your company's behalf and pull engagement data to track performance at the page level. Specifically, LinkedIn will request access to create and delete posts and comments on your page, use basic page information like name and logo, and retrieve page-level analytics. Click Allow to continue. If your LinkedIn account manages multiple company pages, you'll see them listed. Select the page you want to connect and confirm. After you approve, you'll be returned to Highperformr AI. Before connecting, you'll notice the badge next to LinkedIn company page shows 0 pages connected. After you approve access and return to Highperformr AI, that badge will update to 1 page connected, and you'll see the page name and status. Now that your company page is connected, you can do 3 things in Highperformr AI. Number 1. Create and publish brand posts from the Post Creation Library and Hub using your LinkedIn company page. Number 2. Plan and manage your schedule in the social media calendar to avoid overlaps across team campaigns. Number 3. Track performance in analytics with page-level engagement data directly pulled from LinkedIn. If you're part of a team, you can also give the others access to post on your behalf. Just go to Settings followed by Team and use the Edit button next to a teammate's name to assign publishing permissions. You can also make any Highperformr AI user an approver for social media posts. This is part of a broader approval workflow which we'll cover in a separate video. For now, just know that you're giving permissions to a teammate inside Highperformr AI, not to the LinkedIn account itself. And that's it. Your LinkedIn company page is now connected to Highperformr AI. For any further questions, feel free to reach out at teams@highperformr.ai. See you in the next video. Thank you.